Let's breathe into this time of meditation and just take a deep breath and relax. Get comfortable right where you are. You have arrived to this divine appointment, to this time of contemplative practice, this moment that makes our Sunday experience a little bit different, in that we come together to practice collectively what we practice individually, which is a moment of meditation. Knowing that these moments we spend together in meditation deeply on a soul level, on a consciousness level, are the greatest and most impactful moments we could dedicate ourselves to. For with each inhale and exhale, we lay down the layers of stress and strain, overthinking, problem solving, ideating, judging, suffering. We even set aside the joys of the human condition for a moment, just to be present to the breath, to be present to what's beyond duality, beyond thoughts of good or bad, past or future, us or them. As we enter into the sacred now, the only moment that truly always exists. From the conscious awareness of the observer self, the self that is me, but a step beyond me, that's watching, the me that's always been here, that watches thoughts and sees them, but does not become them or identify with them. That presences feelings and emotions, but is not entranced by them or in fear of them. The self that is one with the breath, one with all life, demonstrated in the master teacher Jesus as he referred to the I am nature of his being, knowing that this I am nature is born within us all, waiting for our conscious attention and intention. That this I am of our being is the way. It is the truth. It is the light and it is the life of Source, expressing in and through and as this awareness. So we breathe into that sacred space of the silence. this sacred space. We let it be. We let the love wash over us. And we let it be. We let the love wash over us. We let it be. I invite you to know those words with me. We let the love wash over us. We let it be. We let the love wash over us. We let it be. One more time, all together. We let the love wash over us. We let it be. Let's sing it this time for our nation. We let the love wash over us. We let it be. This time for anyone you may see as separate, other, or an enemy. We let the love wash over us. We let it be. Last time for the children. We let the love wash over us. We let it be.